Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video once again I'm present with the latest update of the Indian coin. What's the current price of the Indian coin? What's the price in the Indian coin? In this video I will show you friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request all of you that please click the subscribe button and like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos. I hope you all of my friends that you will subscribe my channel. So thank you so much for subscribing ABS Tech channel friends. Now friends, let's start the video friends. If we talk about the current price of the Indian coin, so now the current price is going positive. 1.53 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Indian in the market. And on the other side, if you look, the price changes of course in the Indian coins absolutely. Now the last 1 hour pricing is going positive. Now the last 1 hour price is going down. But if we look the previous last one day, but if we look the yesterday pricing is occur in the Indian coin, so the yesterday pricing is going positive. I really like. Just you can see here that the last 1 hour pricing is negative, last 1 week pricing is negative, and the last 1 day pricing is positive friends. Let me show friends the more details about Indian coin on the screen. You can see here that is the biggest jumps time of the Indian coin. In a previous time a biggest jumps occur in the Indian coin, and now again let me show the prediction about Indian coin. You can see here at this time the jumps occur, and after jump again falls down, now again take a jump, and now they again falls down for a little time, and after some passage of time, after a 1 hour, after a 2 hour falls, they will again take a jump friends. Trust me, that's my prediction about Indian coin. You can see here at this time after this falls, jumps occur, so same like that after this falls jumps occur. Don't worry about this fall, that is the temporary falls. And remember, don't decide to sell, it's time to hold Indian coin my friends. It's time to hold, not to sell friends. And if you look the 24 hours last world price changes occur in the Indian coin, so positive 24.09% positive changes occur in the Indian coin, and 1.58 USD dollar is the highest price of the Indian coin friends. Absolutely the changes goes in the Indian coin as going positive, but every cryptocurrency falls down for a little time, so that's not mean then you decide to sell Indian coin friends. Anyways, what's your opinion, what's your prediction about Indian coin? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.